Hello everyone, this is Davinci Resolve channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to create your own transition with 3D effect. It will look like this. And also we will save this transition as preset, which you will be able to use in edit page. So let's start.
Let's create the transition. First of all, we need to drag any transition from effects panel and attach it to our videos. Then click right mouse button and select convert to Fusion Cross Dissolve. Then click right mouse button once again and open in Fusion page. So here we see Cross Dissolve group. Let's delete it. And now we need just a few nodes. Let's disconnect media in from media out and drag out of media in 2 to out of media in 1, and we have merge node. Then let's set transform node after media in 2 node. Let's display merge 1 node in right viewer and move media into video to the right, like this. Type in here 1.5. Now let's add one more transform node after merge one node. Let's display it in right viewer. And now we can move our clips. And to finish our construction, we need just one more node. Press Shift Space and type DVE. And connect it to transform to node. Like this. Let's display it in the right viewer and you can rotate your clips. So now let's make animation we need. We will use animation curves to avoid using keyframes. Let's connect DV to media out. So first of all, we need to turn our clips like this and turn them back. Let's animate Y parameter with anim curves. Press right mouse button, modify with anim curves. I think we will rotate it by 35 degrees and leave 0 at offset parameter and scale, type in 35 degrees. Then select curve easing, in out sine, and type mirror. And it will look like this. Let's make our transition longer, like this, and go back to the Fusion. Okay, this is really what we need. And now we need to change clips from first to the second. This we make using transform to node, like this. So first of all, we need to change switchers. Let's use XY path modifier. Go to modifiers tab, deselect keyframes, and let's modify X parameter with other modifier, anim curves. And select easing, scale 1, but from 0.5, like this. Oh, my bad. -1, like this. So let's check. Okay. Let's add motion blur. In transform to node, go to tools, settings, use motion blur, increase it up to 4 or 5, up to you. Let's check. So that's it. So now let's save this transition as preset. select all nodes except media in and media out. Right button click on any node you selected. Select macro, create macro. Let's name it 3D transition. And let's select parameters what we want to see on inspector. On transform node, it will be motion blur and quality. And I would like to change angle. For angle, we have the following parameter in DVE node in modifiers scale. Let's go to DVE node parameters, anim curves 1 and select scale like this. So now click File, Save as Group, and go to one level up, select Templates, Edit, Transitions, and press Save. Now you can go to Edit tab and select Video Transitions, type in search 3D. It's the same transition I created previously. And let's check it. Go to Inspector, and we can see angle, motion blur, and quality. So that's it. Your transition is ready. I hope this video was interesting for you. Bye bye.